Oh. It just tastes like pure dirt. Gosh, that is awful. I asked you guys for some of your favorite quirky sandwich filling combinations, and some of the responses were fairly eye-watering indeed. I have hand-picked the most quirky ones in my opinion, and from a Barry taste bud perspective, I think are gonna get progressively worse. So I came up with something called my 1 bite test, okay? You know, if I take a second bite, then I pretty much liked it, but in some cases, like an angry dog biting a postman, 1 bite might be too much. And yes, to confirm my scoring, it'll either be Barry blessed, I don't know what that was, or it'll be Barry banished. Okay.
Andrew McDowell 5637 writes, apple and Mars bar, thin slices of each on white bread with butter.
Just for reference today, folks, I am putting a light layer of butter on all of these sandwiches unless stated. All right, Mars bar, £1.50 for this. Unbelievable. It says thinly sliced, so I was gonna grate it, but I think I might be able to take some nice little cheeks. Oh, wow, look at that. Yes. Amazing. I love a Mars bar. I love apples. That really works. The crunch of the apple is refreshing. The caramel from the chocolate bar has like latched onto it, and it's really comforting. It just fuses together. I want to take a second bite, but this is literally our first one, but that is Barry blessed.
Jenny Mostert 4030 writes, please try apricot jam and cheddar on hot buttery toast. The best, an absolute staple, and regular packed lunch school sandwich in South Africa.
I do like apricots. Okay, some cheddar going down. It's supposed to be hot toast, which I'm gonna take is pretty much gonna help melt the cheese. Oh, not sure what happened there. Ugh. Oh wow, that's warmed from the sugar and the jam. Absolutely incredible. I mean, any sort of cheesy toasty with most fillings in, although I draw the line at someone suggested chocolate spread with cheese. 2 bites. Barry blessed.
Jay Wakes 101, after a few drunk nights back in the day, streaky bacon and marshmallow fluff.
Got some sourdough for this one, along with some marshmallow fluff. And if you're probably wondering, hey Barry, that's spreading really well. That's because I just put it in the microwave unsuccessfully. And then we just sit our bacon into it. Oh, this has got to be good, hasn't it? Surely. Using the marshmallow like butter. Get on there, mate. Get on there and bite that bacon. Oh my word. Oh, look, it's stuck already like that. All right, let's try it. Almost looks a little bit like PVA glue, but I love how the marshmallow has locked in that crispy bacon, and we had to do it on the other side just to hold it in place. Yes. It's good. I don't think I like it as much as I thought I was going to. Visually, it was like, wow, that's incredible. So this real sort of salty, smoky contrast against the marshmallow fluff. It's just the marshmallow fluff is super, super sweet. It's Barry blessed. Thank you. But I'm only going to give it 1 bite. It's like a salty ice cream in a sandwich that kind of does work.
Mark Allison writes, Dave Lister and Red Dwarf did a triple fried egg sandwich with chili sauce and chutney. I'd love to see you try it.
Yes, this is from the TV show Red Dwarf, a comedy series. When I was growing up, it was so good. It was set in space, although they don't really play up enough on this clip about the fact that it's a triple fried egg.
I want a triple fried egg butty with chili sauce and chutney.
All right, okay. Basically, his reaction is when he eats it that he feels like he's having a baby. 3 fried eggs is quite a lot. Oh, thanks for this one, Mark. Yeah, massive thanks, because it really has triggered some memories. I used to love watching that show. I should just shove that in a big old baguette and just roll it up, right? I have to be honest, I am very, very full already. Even if I like this, it might have to be a 1-biter. The chutney on. We then sit 1, 2, oh my gosh, the yolk is still there. 3 fried eggs on top. And I got some drips of chili sauce to go on there. Nice hot one. Sweetness, fried egg, and heat. Oh, ho, ho. Oh my word, that is incredible. I really shouldn't like it as much as that. I think it's quite fun because it literally just exploded. Just like the heat coming off it from the eggs where it's warmed up the sandwich. You've got that fried egg texture, but it's actually in a good way. This is not good for the diet. Because you get the heat and then the lasting taste is this like buttery warmth with the chutney. That is 100% Barry blessed. Thank you.
Kay Wilson writes, steak and kidney pie between 2 slices of bread and butter.
All right, Kay, thanks for this. Minimal prep for this. So I buttered the bread like you said. And this is a steak and kidney pie. Onto there and then on like so. That is it. It's quite literally a pie in a sandwich though. If there was ever a visualization of beige, this has got to be up there. I know some of you guys are going to say, you should have warmed it up, but it didn't tell me to. Whoa. That's like a pastry cement mixer in my mouth. It feels like something like a hungover builder might have invented in the 1970s or something. With every sort of chew, I could feel like my arteries clogging up. That was pretty full on. Have a look at that. Like, there's actually a little bit of moisture from the gravy in there, and thank goodness I didn't get much kidney, because I don't really like steak and kidney pies. The really silly thing is, if I was forced to eat it, it's not like I don't really like it. It was just all those textures being dry. It needed maybe some sauce in there, maybe 3 fried eggs, I don't know. But I'm afraid that is my first Barry banished. Thank you.
Michael Thomas 6108. Try the Sinner's Sandwich from the video game Deadly Premonition.
There's actually quite a lot of suggestions for this. I have genuinely never heard of this video game, so if I can find anything of context, I'll put it in now.
1 turkey, strawberry jam, and cereal sandwich.
Sounds like the Sinner's Sandwich.
Yes, there are a few variations of this recipe online. They all kind of follow a similar theme, which is kind of weird. I know what you're thinking, Barry, weird. You've just literally eaten a pie in a sandwich. So I've got some buttered wholemeal bread. Ingredient seems to be turkey slices. So the jam is going to help, and it sounds like a phrase a vet might say, secure the turkey down. But also act as a glue for the third ingredient, cornflakes. I don't know if I need to, but I'm going to turkey again. The cornflakes are going to be that middle layer. I've got confidence in flipping this over. That's a massive strawberry there, because it should just grip to it. Yep, there it has. Look at this. Oh my word. Let's try it. Michael Thomas, this is all on you, my friend. The crunch. Whoa. It's like a jam sandwich has accidentally stepped into Christmas. You know, you've got the jam acting as like the cranberry sauce, the turkey. So it's more like maybe like a Boxing Day leftover sandwich where there's someone's just shoved cornflakes in it. It's a budget Boxing Day sandwich that has got lost down the cereal aisle, but it is blessed. Thank you.
Reuben Smith. Peanut butter, English mustard, and salt and vinegar crisps. Taste sensation.
All right then, Reuben. Yeah, I don't mind peanut butter, but on its own, that would start to resemble the steak and kidney pie cement mixer territory. Whoa. But of course, it is not on its own. This is some English mustard. That does pack a punch. So you're going to get that sort of smooth, sticky, nutty contrast to the peanut butter. But as you'll see, we don't need to. And last but not least, one of my favourite things to do, which nobody... I had so many suggestions. No one suggested a crisp sandwich that I saw. It was insisted that these were salt and vinegar. Oh! Little push down. Oh, that's the thing with a crisp sandwich. You get that crunch. Wow. I'm really unsure about this one. Do love a crisp sandwich though. Let's go for it. Ugh, that's hot. Oh, crikey. Imagine a crisp sandwich falling into a pot of industrial strength glue that's got chili powder in it. That is red hot. Oh, that's on my face still, that's why. You've got the heat, which I love, but the peanut butter's just kind of made it dull and sticky and just fused it way too long together, and the crisps are just kind of stuck in there going, whoa. That's literally the noise they were making. Whoa. Oh, Reuben. I'm sorry, mate. For me, that was not a taste sensation. That is a Barry banished. Thank you.
Mr. Andy TF. Marmite? I have no idea how to pronounce that word, sorry. Marmite and lemon curd.
I have made homemade Marmite. Not a fan. It's extremely intense. I love the shine on it though. Oh, I feel like I got a bit too... Oh, this is so messy. It's going everywhere. Whenever I've tried it before, people say like, yeah, you don't need to put that much on. I wish I could show you my family at the breakfast table. They love it. And then we'll dollop on the lemon curd, which is basically lemon sugar, really. Big old blob of that. Oh, wow. Look at this. I'm so confused. Oh, look, it just looks like 2 pieces of bread. No, it's not. No, it's not. Oh, it smells a little bit like my lemon drizzle cake has had an argument with a brewery or something. But it could be the best thing since sliced bread, or the reason why the bread after today might want to give up. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Oh. 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 Ugh. Ugh. Oh. Oh. It just tastes like pure dirt with the occasional sweet tang. Oh my gosh. Gosh, that is awful. I'm sorry, I don't know why I even had any sort of hope for that whatsoever. Perhaps the sweetness breaking through like it has in some of these other sandwiches. That is an instant banish. Thank you. That might genuinely be one of the worst things I have ever tasted. I genuinely feel a bit odd after that one. That was really disgusting. And I've had surströmming.
Queenie4452 writes, not weird in my opinion, but generally reacted to with disgust when I tell people that my favorite sandwich is beetroot, salad cream, and cheese.
Well, that is exactly my reaction. Oh my gosh. Wholemeal bread. And this is some salad cream. I absolutely love mayonnaise. It's got everything in it that I like. But for some reason, I hope I'm not alone, I absolutely can't stand it. So this does not bode well. And then we're going to stick down some cheese. I still don't like that cold either typically, but hey ho. I think I'd rather eat it than salad cream. And then something that I really struggle with. Look how vibrant it is though. Beetroot, which when it's roasted, I actually don't mind it. Roast it till it tastes of something rather than just like purple polystyrene. I'm still feeling a little bit odd from the Marmite and lemon curd, but let's go for this. All right, Queenie, this is for you, my friend. Cheese, salad cream, beetroot. Hey, at least it's bread and butter. Ugh. I mean, straight up, that is way better than a Marmite and lemon curd sandwich. Oh, I'm getting the cheese now. That was going actually quite well. For a very brief moment, the salad cream and the beetroot were the only flavours in there. In fact, the tang of the salad cream was working well with the beetroot. The beetroot made me like the salad cream, and the salad cream kind of made me like the beetroot. And then the cheese arrived. I've literally got purple on there, so I'm so sorry. But I'm trying to take at least one decent bite, and one bite is all I shall have out of that, because that is banished. Thank you. This is the last one, and I think I might have saved the worst for the end.
Kate Stones. I worked with a guy who used to eat sardine and condensed milk sandwiches. He said that he started making them whilst in the Navy, as nobody wanted to steal his lunch.
All right, some basic buttered bread lingering back here. Got a tin of condensed milk. There was someone that literally said they had condensed milk sandwiches, and I kind of wish I opted for that now because... And I have never ever had sardines from a tin. Oh, goodness me. Look at you. Oh, that absolutely honks. Oh, no. But this is my biggest dilemma with the condensed milk. Obviously, it's thick. It's very, very sweet. But one thing you guys have always seemed to respect about me when I do these sorts of videos, oh my word. It's ginormous. Look at it. I don't hold back. I have been taking big old bites of this. Oh, goodness me. I'm struggling to build this. I'm going to just do a courtesy blanket of a little bit more, but I do still just love the story behind this one. Oh my word. Oh. Now, just before I do taste this, I know some of you guys be like, I didn't see your post, I didn't get a chance to submit it. I'm really sorry, I only did it for like 2 days and had loads of replies. I'll do another one and give you lots more notice next time if you wish, and if I survive this. Oh gosh, the oil seeping out and a bit of condensed milk on the chopping board. Oh my word. What? Why do I not hate that? It stinks. It tastes just like a tuna mayo sandwich. That is absolutely bizarre. a slightly chunkier, slightly sweeter one. The fish taste, you're not getting it. It's been absorbed even by that layer of the condensed milk. That is absolutely absurd. That is bonkers. It looks horrendous. Oh, we were supposed to be getting worse. I thought this was going to be the worst one, but I actually kind of like that. It's Barry blessed. Thank you. Would you like a sandwich? I can see the Mars bar falling out the side there. Oh my word, what a video. Thank you so much to everyone that submitted an idea. There were so many more. If you want to see another one, if there's a different topic you'd like to see, like I say, maybe cookies, a cake. I don't know. So the most delicious, although the apple and Mars bar was a fantastic start, I'm actually going to give that to the Sinner's sandwich. That was absolutely gorgeous for what it was. The one I'm most surprised by is actually the red Dwarf sandwich. Those fried eggs, I thought that's going to be stodgy and fatty and horrendous. It was gorgeous. I think the most insane one in quite a simplistic way was the steak and kidney pie in the bread. But the worst one today, and I can still taste it, and genuinely I wanted to stop the video after that, has to be that Marmite and lemon curd one. That was absolutely horrendous. Two staples that we generally have in the house I never want to see fused together again. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. I will see you next time. Ciao for now. So many sandwiches, and you know what? Some of them I wouldn't even feed to Boston. Thank you so much to the names on the screen right here that support me on Patreon. They help support the running costs of the sandwich so you can watch me eat sandwiches and cook recipes and do fun food stuff to your heart's content. Massively appreciated. See you next time.